Hey everyone, this is Chanchal and I am from Jharkhand. Today is day 3 of learning English with me. So without wasting your time, starting this video. I am stuck many times, so I cannot cut any parts of video to how to you to now how to I learn the English and improve my English, how to improve my English. So without any cuts or parts, this video I can upload it. Today I am learn about how to think in English, so I can explain what I learn in this day. We can explain how to think in English. It means the thought will be developed in your mind in English without any translates, like your native language. You directly think in English, such as in front of you, you have many things. I am in this room, and in this room, in front of me, of many things, like my beds, books, and copies, pens, pencils, and bulb will be. I can start this video in fluent way. That's how much be better day by day. First of all, we start how to think in your mind in English. Suppose this is a day of Sunday, and today what are you doing? What are you working? And whatever what you can do in this day, we can explain and speak in English and thought in English in your mind to thought in English in your mind, and we can say when you are going to bed in night, and suppose you can say as a friend, and we explain what are you doing in a day. That's you improve your English. It's a best way of English learning. I am try this method to improve my English, and you can also try this method to improve your English. So suppose first first thing first thing to in thought in English in your mind. Second things is to speak in like situation, like anything. So suppose you can go with train, and thought this train will be very crowd in today, and the train will be go slowly, and you can see a couple of, and he is very blessing. Whatever we can see, we can explain that, and the atmosphere will be today atmosphere will be very good. So what are you saying, what are you looking at that situation, we can say in English and thought in English. Third thing is to read the fixed, to learn the fixed phrases. Suppose many things have fixed, no change. You can help when you are trying to speak in English in a office or in any situation in front of you. You can speak that language. So suppose learn fifth language. Suppose excuse me, please give me anything. Excuse me, side please. I can learn fixed phrases in another video. We can try to say and learning and sharing with you. Bye bye guys. That's all.